Good morning. My name is Eric Perreault. I am the CEO of Kiyatec here in Greenville, South Carolina, USA. And I really appreciate the opportunity to be able to do a very brief overview about Kiyatec, the MBD partnership. I joined Kiyatec in 2023 as the Chief Business Officer and President of the company, and then took over as CEO in January of 2024. The company does 3D cell culture. Similar to what MBD does. The difference is that we're not doing it on an automated platform. So we have a lab team here that is doing a lot of manual steps. But essentially, just in a nutshell, we have launched the product commercially for glioblastoma. We started that in earnest in 2023, and we have a full infrastructure to help support that. So we've introduced it to now well over 35 US hospitals, Mayo Phoenix, Miami Cancer Institute, University of Nebraska, Ohio State University, just to name a few, MD Anderson in Jacksonville, Florida. So some very prestigious hospitals that are sending in cancer tissue on a regular basis. Our laboratory is CLIA certified, College of American Pathology accredited, and New York State approved. And last year we had the great opportunity of having members of the MBD team come in and spend about a month in our lab, and we validated the MBD automated 3D cell culture platform in our lab. In fact, it sits about 2 doors over to my left. Why is this important? Why is this validation important? And why is the future business partnership important to both Kiyatec and MBD? The US market is the largest market in terms of healthcare diagnostic testing. And the cancers that we're going after are not trivial. We started small, glioblastoma, ovarian. They're both around 25,000 cases a year in the US market. But we have our eyes set on much bigger cancers like breast cancer and sooner, non-small cell lung cancer. In the US market, just to give perspective, non-small cell lung cancer is between 250,000 to 270,000 cases a year. We can't do this on our own, and this is why utilizing the MBD platform to help automate our process is so critical, and why we're so enthusiastic about this business partnership moving forward and completing this within the next 3 to 4 weeks. Getting this down on paper where we set up a royalty sharing agreement so that not only are we using your platform, but MBD gets to benefit in the tremendous financial opportunity there is. And when you think about it from a total available market opportunity across all those cancers that I already mentioned, you're looking at a $4 billion market opportunity. In conclusion, we are very excited about this partnership. We recognize that in order for us to truly capture the oncology market in the US and in Korea, and then across the globe, we can't do this alone. We're better together, and that's why we're so excited about working with MBD. So thank you, Bosun.